Don't be a parrot in life. Be an eagle. A parrot talks way to touch and can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Hello, my YouTube family, and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video, must watch the video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. An eagle will never surrender to the size of or strength of its prey. It will always give a fight to win its prey or regain its territory, meaning no matter with the size or big your problems, or don't give up, instead face it. Successful people are fearless, they face problems head on. What is the power of the eagle attitude? With his great attitude, the eagle adapts to change its patience and is able to focus to his prey due to his determination and sense of purpose. Like eagles, man can live with his comfort zone, work hard and finish what he started. Why is an eagle so powerful? Eagles have extremely powerful vision. The eyes of an eagle are specially designed for long distance focus with clarity. The eagle's eye is one of the strongest in the entire animal kingdom, 4 to 8 times stronger than that of the average human. An eagle is able to spot a rabbit. What is the special power of eagle? The eagle's eyesight is also unbelievable, 4 to 8 times more powerful than of human beings. If you ever want to be something, then be an eagle, but never be a parrot in life, because the parrot speaks a lot but cannot fly very high. But an eagle speaks very little but very high. An eagle has the willpower to touch the sky. A parrot's gift is to talk and an eagle's gift is to fly. I would rather be an eagle. The eagle is the king of the other birds. So today I will tell you even mentalities, the habits of the every person should learn from an eagle. These are the most powerful mindset in the world, and there is a great life learning in these 7 mentalities and attitudes of eagles. Lesson number 1. Eagle fly alone and higher than all other birds. Eagle will fly alone but will never fly with a pigeon, in a sparrow or with any small bird. Eagle either fly with eagle or fly alone, and this takes us a lesson that stays away from narrow-minded people, small-minded people, and stay alone, because this is the time when you get the real chance to know yourself. Lesson number 2. Eagle's vision is very clear and very strong. Eagle can see its prey from 5 kilometers away, and once it sees its targets and goal clearly, then no matter how difficult it is, no matter how hard it is, he hunts his targets and achieve his goals. Here is the great lesson to learn from this too, that keep your vision clear and achieve it no matter how hard it does not hold back, like that eagle. Lesson number 3. Eagle never ate dead things. Eagle never eat dead animals. He always hunts alive animals, and this mindset of eagle teaches us that our past is dead. It's already gone. So don't pay attention to those dead, rotten thoughts. Don't waste your energy to the past that is gone, rather than focuses on your upcoming first life and focus on today. Keep things current, the old memories of your past that are hard to you, let them go, say them goodbye, let them be there where they belong, and your past has a place of itself. Don't give it a place in your present. don't bring them back in your present, because once your past take place in your present, your past will never let you stay in the present. So no matter how bad has happened to you in your past, all those thoughts and memories are already dead and gone, and become like that will never eat dead things. Lesson number 4. Eagles love the storm. Eagles get excited when storms clouds gather. When the storm comes, all the birds hide and are scared, but the eagle enjoys it a lot and they welcome the challenge it brings. When the strong wind blows, the eagles fly even higher with the help of those winds, and when it flies very high, it reaches even above the clouds. The life lesson to be learned from the mindset: find the possibilities in the problems, find the opportunities in the challenge. And once the Napoleon Hill said that every great challenge brings a great opportunity with it, so like that eagle embraces the challenge. Opportunities, all the difficult will be under the control of you, and you will be over those difficulties. Lesson number 5. Eagle always remove soft grass from its nest so that the eagle's baby cannot be comfortable in it, because if he becomes comfortable in the past will stay there and will not be able to leave the comfort zone. But the mother eagle never let this happen to her baby. Eagle is also a bird. But imagine, he knows that there is no growth in the comfort zone, but we are human beings, and despite being humans, many people do not understand this. The more you stay in the comfort zone, the more you become lazy, and the more uncomfortable your life will become in the future. Lesson number 6. Sizable test the power commitment before a trust. When a female eagle meets a male on that they want to mate, she tests the male eagle's power of commitments. She picks it twice and fly high. Once he has reached a height high enough for her, she lets the twin fall the ground and tells the male one to catch. Lesson number 7. Eagles love the painful process. At the age of 40, the eagles become old. The eagles has to make a painful decision, and that moment die or go through a painful process, a reborn, which will extend its life for 30 more years. This process involves the painful task of knocking out its own beak and plucking out its talons so that new ones can grow. The entire process takes about 5 months to complete the life. Lesson we can learn from the mindset is: if there is no pain, there is no gain. Many of us want success or change, but lesson we can learn from this mindset. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new day, with a new spirit, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your prayers. Have a nice day. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe. We may even need to go a step further: death of the world, self, and a total rebirth, ending toxic relationship, leaving toxic job, getting rid of destructive habits, thought and traditions and mindset that no longer serve us. And remember, at the end, we are all just stories. Just make it good for one you.